The air crackled with anticipation as the long-awaited ChatGPT plugins finally arrived. A world of endless possibilities unfolded, stirring fierce competition in the generative AI industry. Brace yourself for an electrifying journey into the realm of AI revolution and boundless potential. The room was abuzz with excitement as the highly anticipated ChatGPT plugins arrived. It was believed to be the most significant improvement the AI had seen. With these plugins, a whole new world of possibilities unfolded. Everyone anticipated the fierce competition that would arise in the generative AI industry, making it all the more thrilling. Browsing plugin. OpenAI had just rolled out the ChatGPT browsing plugin to all ChatGPT Plus members. Previously, the AI was limited by its training data, which stopped in 2021. But with the browsing plugin, ChatGPT gained access to the entire internet, eliminating any data restrictions. It was now equipped to answer questions about any event, no matter how recent. Excitement filled the air. To use the browsing plugin, one had to be a ChatGPT Plus member. Adding the plugin was a breeze, just a few clicks in the settings. The introduction of this plugin marked a turning point for ChatGPT, opening up infinite opportunities. ChatGPT becomes a versatile personal assistant, providing teaching, guidance, and advice. With the browsing plugin, writing was effortless as ChatGPT gathered recent information and simplified research. It also excelled in travel planning, content brainstorming, and social media monitoring. The power of third-party plugins. March was a pivotal month for ChatGPT. OpenAI announced 11 third-party plugins, including offerings from Instacart, Kayak, and Zapier. But the plugin library had expanded even further, with over 70 options available. From chess play to recipe finding, live soccer updates to nutrition advice, developers were eager to create their own plugins. 1. Speech Key. One standout plugin was Speech Key, a text converter that transformed text into speech. It even allowed users to download the audio and embed it on various platforms. Another gem was Copart, a nifty plugin that scoured the internet for the best deals and coupons. 2. Wolfram plugin. The Wolfram plugin was a true rock star, providing real-time data, solving complex math problems, and fetching weather updates. And for those seeking knowledge, the EDX plugin acted as a personal academic advisor, connecting users to courses and content from leading universities. 3. One Domain plugin. The one-word domain plugin proved to be a lifesaver for those struggling to find the perfect domain name. It searched and compared prices across different registries, simplifying the process. Tasty Web Pilot, VoxScript, Expedia, and Diagram plugins each brought their own unique and mind-blowing features. From finding recipes to generating YouTube transcripts, creating diagrams to connecting various apps, the possibilities seemed infinite. 4. Zapier plugin. One plugin stood out from the rest, Zapier. Already a powerful tool, it became even more sensational when integrated with ChatGPT. Zapier built bridges between apps, enabling seamless information sharing and automation. With this integration, tasks that once required coding skills became accessible to all. The impact of ChatGPT plugins. The introduction of ChatGPT plugins signaled a monumental shift in the generative AI field. It transformed ChatGPT from a tool to a platform capable of performing an array of tasks. It enhanced accuracy, gathered better data, and potentially took over websites. However, concerns arose regarding data protection. The plugin's capabilities raised questions about safeguarding sensitive information. Despite the challenges, OpenAI raced forward, determined to maintain its lead. OpenAI was not alone in the race. The open-source community rallied, with developers working on autonomous AI agents. Demos like AutoGPT and Agent GPT created a buzz on Twitter. Startup Hyperwrite showcased an AI agent that surfed the web using a Chrome extension. The field of AI had become more intriguing and intense. Future of ChatGPT plugins. The future had arrived, fueled by AI and plugins. ChatGPT became a versatile and powerful tool, aiding in education, research, travel planning, content creation, and more. The possibilities seemed boundless. The journey had just begun, and the AI revolution showed no signs of slowing down. Exciting developments and advancements awaited. Stay tuned for updates and fresh content in the dynamic world of AI. The community and creators would drive the AI revolution, delivering high-quality content and embracing technological advancements. ChatGPT plugins revolutionized AI, offering limitless customization and efficiency. OpenAI maintained its lead while the open-source community made strides. ChatGPT evolved into a versatile personal helper, catering to knowledge, advice, and assistance. The AI world brimmed with excitement and captivation. The journey had only just begun, promising a future full of potential. Thank you for joining us on this eye-opening journey into the world of AI. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and together, let's ensure that the power of artificial intelligence remains in the hands of the people. Meet you in the next one. Till then, stay safe.